truck. This is an awesome truck, pretty clean, everything. Oh crap! That's not good. Guess we're gonna have to weld that, huh? Okay. I want you to record Daddy while I'm welding. Sit down on the chair. Sit on the chair. Come on. Keep the camera on me. Focus on me. Okay? Don't look at the light now, okay? You can look through the phone, but don't look at the light.
Why?
Don't look at the light because your eyes will burn. Unless you put your helmet down. See it? You're not looking at the light, are you? You're looking to the phone? Good job. Okay, have to put those on our home ramps. So we're gonna weld the inside there. Gonna weld the inside there, and then I don't want to do it from low on the ground, so put it on the ramps. Oh, yeah. Okay, just put a couple braces here, angle on the left here, put that angle there, well this angle over here on the cross, put this middle one on the cross brace, put a piece of 1/2-inch square stock on the bottom to get the angle bracing to come to the control arm, and put another piece up top, okay? Weld it to all the points that I can get to. Not the prettiest, not the greatest, but it's gonna hold. On the opposite side, can we see it from over here? That whole 70 pretty much. back in. Triangle on that side. It's really rusty. This whole thing is really rusty. Still some breaks in there. I'm gonna have to continue to go in and repair and see what the customer wants to do. Go from there. So that looks that back together. Outside, so that looks nice and back together. This Jeep has been fixed up. Still needs a lot of work, but this tire now is not gonna go any of that, right? So they're gonna be very, very happy. It's not the prettiest job in the world, but guess what? It's Jeep, they off-road it, it's underground. I gave them a real good, cheap, affordable price, and we just reinforce it, that's all. Back together.